Good morning, students. Today we are going to see the fourth prose lesson in our English subject, The Attic, written by Satyajit Ray. Before starting the lesson, let us just learn about the author Satyajit Ray. He was born in the year 1921 and died in the year 1922. He was an Indian filmmaker, screenwriter, graphic artist, music composer, and author. He was born in Kolkata. He authored several short stories and novels meant primarily for young children and teenagers. He revived the children's magazine Sandesh, which his grandfather had started in 1913, and he edited that magazine until his death in 1992. Ray was more interested in writing rather than filmmaking. His stories have been translated in Europe, the United States, and many other countries. Ray received many awards, including 32 National Film Awards by the Government of India, notably the Padma Bhushan in 1965 and the highest civilian honor, Bharat Ratna, shortly before his death. Students, Attic is a story. In the story, the rich man Aditya expresses regret for some fault he committed 29 years ago during his childhood. So he asked his sincere apology to person concerned for his mistake. So in the story, the Attic, in the fourth prose lesson, the Attic, we are going to know about some important characters. Attic, Aditya, Sasanka, Sanyal, and the Negan uncle. Negan uncle owns a tea shop. Okay, these are the some important characters. These are the important characters in this story and the author. So to err is human. During our childhood, it's not a, it's not a very mistake. It's not a very big issue when we do mistakes. So this story is also the Attic is a portrayal of a child's psychology. During the earlier years, it is natural for children to please their parents, teachers, and friends. Sometimes this attitude compels them to practice vices, hurt others to gain fame, and be on top of the world. According to the clinical psychologist, child is like a clean slate with natural responses, jealousy, and possessiveness. As the child advances in age, he learns to accommodate things and understand success and failure gracefully, reflects on his misconducts and refines his attributes. Okay, so in the story, Aditya, the rich man, he committed one mistake 29 years ago. Okay, for long ago, he did a mistake in his childhood. So when he was given a chance to realize his mistake, he wanted to realize to the person concerned for his mistake. He wants to just express his apology to the person concerned, and he wants to talk about the mistakes. He wanted to feel sorry for the mistake he had done a long time ago. That is the main theme or the main thing in this story. Aditya and his memories. During the return journey from the new factory at Theodoreganj, the narrator Satyajit Roy and his friend come business partner Aditya driving through National Highway 40. So the narrator and Aditya, they were coming, uh, they were traveling, uh, his friend come business partner is Aditya. So they are driving through the national highway party from their factory at Theodorganj. So they are reaching a point of bifurcation. The narrator asked Aditya about his wish to take the road towards right that leads to his ancestral home at Brahmapur. So when they were coming, when they were reaching a point of bifurcation, the narrator asked Aditya about his wish to take the road towards right that leads to his ancestral home. His father was a landlord and his ancestors were Jamindars after Aditya's schooling at Brahmapur. They moved to Kolkata for higher studies, where his dad too started a new business. So many years ago, they left their Aditya's family left their native village, native place, and their Aditya's ancestors, அவங்களுடைய முன்னோர்கள், their forefathers were zamindars. Aditya's hometown. Aditya agreed to go to his birthplace. He tried to recall memories of his 200-year-old ancestral house. So Aditya's house was a 200-year-old, very old house. His school and the tea shop. So he just recalled all those past things. His school and his tea shop, where he used to spend his time, spend his free time, free hours. It was 3:30 p.m. in the month of Maha, which could be January or February. The sun was soothing on either side of the road, where large stretches of paddy fields in about 10 minutes they reached the local school. So now they are coming to their local school. They reached the local school. The iron gates, the playing field, and the two-story school building made Aditya go into deep thoughts. They next went to the tea shop of Nagan uncle Nagan. So Nagan uncle owned a tea shop. Okay, so still he was owning the tea shop at that place. So they went to the tea shop. Now he is a 60-year-old person. Okay, Nagan uncle, 29 years ago he was a young person, young man. Now he is 60. He was wearing a dirty and a blue striped shirt that could be seen from under a green shawl. So he was wearing a dhoti. His shop stood next to a grocery shop and opposite a temple dedicated to Lord Shiva. They are not sitting in two tin chairs. So their tea shop is next to a grocery shop, and Nagan Uncle tea shop is next to a grocery shop opposite to a temple, Lord Shiva temple. Sanyal, Sasanka Sanyal. Who is Sasanka Sanyal? So only from whom Aditya stole his medal, so that Sasanka Sanyal is very angry. There was only one customer sitting at a corner table with his head bent as though he was sleeping, and uncle reminded Mr. Sanyal to go home as it was already 4 p.m. and other customers would soon be coming. So கார்னர்ல ஒரே ஒருத்தர் மட்டும் உட்கார்ந்திருக்காரு. There was only one customer sitting at a corner table with his head bent, தலையை தொங்க போட்டுக்கிட்டு வளைச்சிக்கிட்டு, as though he was sleeping. அவரை பார்த்தா தூங்குற மாதிரி இருக்கு. And uncle reminded Mr. Sanyal. So Nagan uncle just told Mr. Sanyal to go home. Please go your home because it is already 4 p.m. 4 மணி ஆச்சு, அதனால நீங்கள் வீட்டுக்கு போங்க. Because other customers will be coming now. So that will be a disturbance for them. So please go home. Just Nagan uncle reminded Mr. Sanyal like this. The narrator observed Sanyal's facial expression. So our facial expression, there was a sudden change in his face, in Sasanka Sanyal's face. So the narrator noted that, pointed out that, he observed that. Then change in Aditya's too. So when the narrator saw or looked at Aditya, there was some changes in Aditya's face too. Mr. Sanyal reacted sharply, stood up, stretched himself, and raised his right arm with eyes dilated. He began to recite a poem by Tagore Pandraksha. So Tagoreoட பன்றாக்ஷாங்கிற போயத்தை அவர் ரிசைட் பண்ணிட்டு அப்படியே மனப்பாடமா சொல்லிக்கிட்டே he just stood up. Soon he left the place making the gesture of namaste with his hands in his general. ஒரு நமஸ்தே போட்டுட்டு அவர் வந்து ஜஸ்ட் லீவ் பண்ணிட்டாரு அந்த டீ ஷாப்பை விட்டு. he just left that tea shop. Okay, Sasanka Sanyal. So who is Sasanka Sanyal? You have to know about him in detail. He lived a humble life throughout his life. A mysterious person who lived with his friend Jogesh Kabiraj. He was tossed by a series of misfortunes. He lost his wife. Okay, Sasanka Sanyal did not have a wife. He lost his wife. He had to dispose his lands to get his daughter married off. He is the tragic hero of the story. Okay, so Sasanka Sanyal is the tragic hero of the story. He carries anger and hatred towards Aditya for 29 long ago. Long 29 for 29 long years. Okay, so this is what we can learn about Sasanka. Fine, at the end of the story, Sasanka would forgive Aditya, even though even though Aditya had done a mistake. Sasanka finally would take it easy. Finally, would take the issue and easy. Aditya came to know from uncle more details about Sanyal. He now went straight to his house, which he had no intention of seeing. He went up the attic, a favorite place of the children. He climbed over a wooden packing case and took something from the ventilator with a deep sigh of relief. இப்போ ஆதித்யா வந்து ஸோ நிறைய டீட்டெயில்ஸ் அவர் வந்து நேகன் அங்கிள்கிட்ட இருந்து தெரிஞ்சுக்கிறாரு அபவுட் சன்னியால். சன்னியாலை பற்றி தெரிஞ்சுக்கிறாரு. அவர் ஒய்ஃப் இறந்து போயிட்டாங்க. அவரோட டாட்டரை மேரேஜ் பண்ணுறதுக்காக தன்னை இருந்த லேண்டெல்லாம் அவர் சேல்ஸ் பண்ணிட்டாரு. இப்படி he just collected a lot of details from Negan uncle. Aditya collected a lot of details from Negan uncle. Tea shop வச்சிருக்க அது Negan uncle ன்னு தெரிஞ்சுக்காரு. He now went straight to his house, which he had no intention of seeing. இப்போ நேராக அவர் வீட்டுக்கு போகிறார். The old house, which was 200 years old. He went up the attic, a favorite place of the children. Attic is a very favorite place for the children. Atticல நம்ம children எப்பயுமே அங்கே தான் போய் உட்காந்து விளையாண்டு இருப்பாங்க. That is the place of heaven for the children. So he also now went up straight to that attic where once he was spending much of his time during his childhood. He climbed over a wooden packing case and took something from the ventilator with a deep sigh of relief. அங்கே போய் அவருக்கு அங்கே அந்த பிளேஸுக்கு போனதுனால தான் ஒரு பெரிய ஏதோ ஒரு ரிலீஃபாக கிடைச்ச மாதிரி இருந்தது. He felt a kind of relief. So he climbed over a wooden packing case. ஒரு wooden packing caseல ஏறி he took something from that wooden packing case. He now rushed to the jewelers. So having taken something from that wooden box, he just went straight to the jewelers in order to ascertain the current market price for that article he had found. So he had now taken one thing from that wooden packing case. Having taken that, he just went straight to the jewelers and he just wanted to know the current market price for that particular object he had taken. The climax was his next visit to see Sanyal, who stayed with his father's friend Jogesh. இப்போ அவர் வந்து தன்னோட ஃபாதரோட ஃப்ரெண்டு ஜோகேஷ் கபிராஜ் அவரோட வீட்டுக்கு போகிறது தான் அடுத்த அவருடைய பிளான். ஸோ என்ன why all these things are happening? Very simple. Aditya had stolen something from Sasanka Sanyal 29 years ago. So now Aditya had taken the same object what he had stolen 29 years ago, and Aditya just wanted to give it again, give it back again to Sasanka Sanyal, so that Now he just wanted to know the Aditya just wanted to know the current market price for that object. Aditya seeks forgiveness from Sanyal. Now, Aditya feels very sorry for his mistake he had done 29 years ago. Aditya seeks forgiveness from Sanyal. Aditya saw Sanyal requested his entry into his room and gave him a cover with the 15 10 rupee notes in Sanyal's room. So அவர் என்ன பண்றாரு, ஆதித்யா நேர சன்னியால் சசங்கா சன்னியால் வீட்டுக்குள்ள போறாரு. போய் he just humble requested him to allow him into his house, into his room, and he Aditya gave Sasanga Sanya a cover, ஒரு கவர் கொடுக்குறாரு. So within which what is inside, 15 10 rupees notes இருக்குது, 10 ரூபாய் நோட்டு 15 இருக்குது. In Sanyal's room there was absolutely nothing but just charpai to sit on. ஒரே ஒரு சார்பாய் மட்டும் தான் இருக்குது. அதாவது சார்பாய்னா லைட் பெட்ஷீட் அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்களா அது மாதிரி. ஸோ ஓல்டன் டேஸில் யூஸ் பண்ணுறது. இந்தியாவில் வந்து அந்த மாதிரி ஒரு வகையான தரையில் உட்காரதுக்கான அந்த பெட்ஷீட், லைட் பெட்ஷீட், in order to sit on the floor. தரையில் உட்காராம just putting that sheet on the floor and sitting on it, அது மேலே உட்காருது. ஸோ நம்ம பாய் விரிக்கிறோமா இல்லையா வீட்டுக்கு வந்து, அது மாதிரி likewise Sanyal was questioned about. Sasanka was busy reciting verses from Tagore. அப்போ அவர் என்ன செஞ்சிருக்காரு, Sasanka was just reciting the verses from Tagore. தாகூரோட போயம்ல உள்ள வேர்சஸ் அவர் ரிசைட் பண்ணியிருக்காரு, அவர் சொல்லிக்கிட்டு இருக்காரு. Sanyal was questioned about Aditya Narayan Chaudhary. Sanyal remembered him very well and told them that he was a liar and was also envious over him. Sanyal வந்து சொல்றாரு, உன்னை எனக்கு தெரியும், உன்னை நல்லாவே தெரியும்னு சொல்றாரு. ஆதித்யாவை பார்த்தேன்னு அவங்க கிட்ட ரெண்டு பேர்ட்டையும், ஆதித்யாட்டையும் நேரேட்டர்ட்டையும் சொல்றாரு that he was a liar, இவன் வந்து ஒரு fraud, he was a liar and he was also envious over me. Sanyal சொல்றாரு, என் மேல ரொம்ப பொறாம வந்தேன். He was jealous of me. Aditya was jealous of me. So Sanyal says like that. He said that he had usurped his medal for poetry recitation. So நான் poetry recitation, poetry ஒப்பிச்சதுக்காக வாங்கின அந்த மெடலை he had taken that from me. So Sanyal says like that. Aditya told him that he was Aditya himself and was changed. Sanyal admitted that he recognized him at the tea shop and ventured out his anger on him. ஸோ சன்னியால் வந்து என்ன சொல்கிறாரு, ஸோ ஐ ஃபீல் வெரி சாரி. சன்னியால் அட்மிட்டட் தட் ஐ ரெகக்னைஸ்ட் யூ. ஸோ ஈவன் வென் யூ வேர் இன் த டீ ஷாப், ஐ நோ யூ தட் யூ வேர் சிட்டிங் இன் த டீ ஷாப். நீங்கள் டீ ஷாப்பில் இருந்தப்பே நான் உங்களை பார்த்துட்டேன். ஐ நோ தட் ஹூ யூ ஆர் ஆதித்யா, ஐ நோ தட் வெல். Sasanka says like that. Sanyal also refused to accept the money and preferred the medal. So Sanyal did not want to accept that medal and money. But Aditya, who is now a changed man, restored the medal to its owner and sought forgiveness. Okay. Now Aditya is so 29 years ago, Aditya might have been a person who was jealous of Sanyal. But now he is a changed man. He is a matured man. He has now realized his mistake, so that he wants to give back the medal to Sanyal. So he humbly requests Sanyal to accept the medal and the money, and also is mainly for forgiveness. So Aditya wanted Sanyal to forgive him. So that is the main theme or moral of this lesson, the ethics. Aditya seeking forgiveness from Sanyal. Okay, so human values, importance of human values, that is the main moral or theme that the writer, that the author wants to talk about to his readers. Human values are the virtues that direct us to consider human element when we interact with other people. Human values are, for example, acceptance, respect, appreciation, consideration, openness, listening, empathy, love, and affection towards other human beings. These are all the human values. நம்ம கன்சிடர் பண்ணணும் மற்றவங்களுடைய சுச்சுவேஷனை, ஓப்பன்னஸாக இருக்கணும், லிசனிங், எம்பத்தி, லவ் அண்ட் அஃபெக்ஷன் டுவர்ட்ஸ் அதர்ஸ். தீஸ் ஆர் த human values. these are the virtues, these are the virtues for human beings அப்படிங்கிறது தான் இங்க சத்யஜித் ரே பேசுறாரு. ஓகே, so it is with the human, it is with these human elements that one becomes truly able to put it into practice his or her ethical values in a crucial situation. ஸோ ஒருத்தர் இந்த மாதிரி ஹியூமன் வேல்யூஸ் எல்லாம் வச்சுக்கிட்டா, ஸோ he could become a very good person, he could become a matured person. எந்த ஒரு கிரிட்டிக்கல் சுச்சுவேஷன் அவனுடைய வேல்யூஸை ட்ரூலியாக வந்து கேரி அவுட் பண்ணுறதுக்கு முடியும். ஸோ திஸ் இஸ் த மெயின் தீம் தட் ஆத்தர் சத்யஜித் ரே வாண்ட்ஸ் டு டாக் அபவுட். So students, with this the lesson comes to an end. So finally, before concluding the lesson, we are all human beings and to err is human. The author reinstates that a person must rectify his mistake when given a chance for it. So தப்பு பண்றது இயல்பு தான். So we are all human beings. It is natural for human beings. It is natural for us to commit mistakes. But when we are given a chance to rectify the mistake, we should be ready to rectify it. We should be ready to get rid of the mistake. That is the main thing for a very good human being. Very good thing for a person. So we all must have that good quality in our life. With this, the lesson comes to an end. Thank you.